12 Jamaican foods that have a different meaning. Let me say how much you really know the culture. Adults only. First up, banana. Cane. Seed. Chocho. Cherry. Meat. Salt. Butter. Porridge. Bun. Fruit cake. Fish. Comment or duet. Thank you.